Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nur Islam and I am a teacher at Darussalam Model Madrasa. Today I'm gonna take a class on tense with one of my students. So let's listen to him directly. What's your name?
My name is Samina Safwan.
Safwan, where do you study?
I study at Darussalam Model Madrasa in class 4.
Oh, that's great. Safwan, speak with me. Ami jai,
I go.
Tumi jao,
You go.
Ami likhi,
I write.
Tumi likho,
You write.
Tara likhe,
They write.
Tara kore,
They do.
Tumi koro,
You do.
আমি করি,
I do.
আমি খাই,
I eat.
তুমি খাও,
You eat.
আমরা খাই,
We eat.
তারা খায়,
They eat.
আমি যাচ্ছি,
I am going.
তুমি যাচ্ছ,
You are going.
তুমি খাচ্ছ,
You are eating.
আমি খাচ্ছি,
I am eating.
তারা খাচ্ছে.
They are eating.
Oh, that's great. Safwan, tell me the structure of present continuous tense.
Subject plus amnesia plus verb ing plus object.
Yes, tell me the structure of past indefinite tense.
Subject plus verb past form plus object.
And what is the structure of present indefinite tense?
Subject plus verb plus object.
That's great. To learn more, join our free courses. Link in the below. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.